Hello and welcome to Elevation Drafting. My name is Glenn. I'm going to take you through the move, copy and rotate commands today. Some basic commands in AutoCAD. Let's get stuck into it. And I thought I might try something different here today. What I might show you is the basic commands, nice and slow, and then I'll show you some a bit faster, just to give you an idea of how fast you can get and how fast you can move in AutoCAD if you need to. The idea being that we will try and build up your speed, and I'm going to try and give you some tips to get faster in your work. So here we go, move. So M is move, M on the keyboard, hit enter or spacebar in my case. You can click out on the screen somewhere, or you can click on the actual object itself, in this case just a line, and move. There it is. Select the object, M, move, and move. And what I'm doing to get faster with this is I am choosing the object, hitting move, enter, click, and then moving. And a way to get faster with this is you then hit the enter key again, or in my case the space bar, because I prefer to use a space bar. The way that my hands are set up, it's much faster to use a space bar, and I can show you that in future episodes. So spacebar, which brings up the previous command. So whatever you've done previously, if you've typed M for move and move that line, you can then hit the spacebar again and it'll bring in the same command again. So choose it like that. And what this is all about is coordinating between your clicking of the mouse and clicking of the spacebar to move back and forward. So you can see you can get pretty quick if you need to. There you go. Next one is copy. Copy is CO. Copy, hit enter, spacebar. Select the object and spacebar again to accept. And there you go. You're going copy, copy, copy. That was just undo, copy again. You can copy images as well. Copy my logo. You can also copy text as well. There we go. The other option is rotate. Rotate is just RO. RO for rotate. You can click again out in the screen somewhere, wherever you want, or you can click RO on the line itself to rotate it around. And there it is. So the speed that I'm going to try and get you all to, this is my aim with my AutoCAD videos, is to get you to a place where you're as fast as can be with AutoCAD. So I showed you the move command before, and again spacebar to reinitiate the last command, and you can just go again and go again and go again and go again. So this is the kind of speed that I'm going to try and get you guys to get up to. Copy obviously is just all about the left mouse button click, because I'm just clicking, 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 nice and easy. And rotate, that's the speed we're looking at. Not that one. There you go. That's the three basic commands in AutoCAD: move, copy, and rotate. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. It really helps the channel to grow, and really helps me to keep making videos for you guys, and to keep supporting you in your journey to get faster in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.